People that need a taste of their own medicine. This is Tree Valentino. Facebook.com/tree.valentino. One of the best victim hierarchy participants that I have encountered in quite a while. We were having a clean discussion on Facebook because that's the only way that you can have a discussion on Facebook nowadays about gender. It has to stay pretty clean or Facebook would ban me. But this person didn't like my opinions and they stalked me and sent my work 7 emails to try to get me fired. Now I ain't saying what you should go do, but I say that we should mob rule on the mob rule people. You should go pay this person a visit. Give them a taste of their own medicine.